Yeah, guys, sorry. I'm trying
No
to,
worries.
all these
Yeah.
cameras, I'm trying to see what our best shot is, see if we can tell any news stories. We're keeping an eye on the radar. We're starting to get damage reports, wind gusts, and flooding reports. We had a funnel cloud earlier. So a lot to get to. Let's jump into it. Again, we appreciate you being with us. It's almost 3 o'clock on Friday afternoon, and sure doesn't feel like a typical Friday afternoon, does it? We're getting ready to head into a weekend, and unfortunately, the weather conditions that we have now are going to be around tonight. They're probably going to be around tomorrow morning, maybe even into tomorrow afternoon. The worst of the weather up to this point is, as you can imagine, the farther south you go. So let's just use Raleigh as kind of a ground zero. Raleigh is kind of going to be an average spot. You go up north to the Virginia border, you're going to have a lot less rain and hardly any wind that's going to cause any problems. From Raleigh, you go south, you could double the rainfall and not double the winds, but the winds are going to be much stronger and do much more damage. And I'm going to show you how that all lays out on the radar here in just a second. But one of the highest rainfall totals we've seen so far is coming out of Goldsboro. They're now more than 8 inches, and it's continuing to climb because, as you can see, and as you guys in Wayne County know, it continues to rain rather heavily. Can I ask production real quick, sorry guys, to flip prompter for me as we continue to kind of look around town. This is a live look in Johnston County and Smithfield, so they're a little closer to the south, a little closer to where the eye is, which I'll show you in just a second. So their winds are a little stronger. Still some people out and about, though. And, two things I worry about with just kind of getting cabin fever and having to get out today. We have had it happen in the past before where trees will fall on the road, and you don't want to be under that when that happens. And then we have areas that have water over the road, and you never know how deep that is. And I worry about people getting hurt or worse in that. So those are the two things that you have to watch out for today. I know sometimes you have to go out. We had to as well to come into work, but those are the two things I really want you to watch out for. Here's a live look in Wendell. You can see trees blowing around there. Everything holding so far. I mean, most of the winds that we've seen so far, I say most, have just been shaking loose some old limbs, some branches, and some leaves. But, as we get into later in the day, it's going to start to get strong enough, and the ground's going to start to get wet enough where the trees are going to start to fall. Here's a live look where the kids are not at today over at Davis Drive Elementary School. I use this a lot. They always have great sunsets, but I also use it to kind of judge how much rain they've got on the soccer field, so we'll watch that to see how that starts to puddle up. Here's a live look over in Holly Springs in southwestern Wake County. Obviously raining pretty good. The winds kind of shaking things up there. That is a fish feeder out there. That's not actually a person. There's a dock there. There's the dock there. Again, that is at Bass Lake Park out in Holly Springs. Here's a live look on Franklin Street where it's coming down pretty good up in Chapel Hill, too, up by the university. And let's go down the route to the university. Words are going to start to get confusing as we continue our nonstop coverage. This is in Chapel Hill. Again, ominous looking wind and rain, a problem there. We come down the road to NC State over at the Centennial campus. You can see kind of ominous looking there. There's Carter Finley and PNC. Not a lot going to be going on over there the next couple of days. And we will finish with a live look at Lonnie Pool Golf Course. This is on Centennial campus as well. Great view of, the rain coming in sideways. You can see the tree kind of moving and everything. This fairway, when we get heavy rain, really starts to fill up. So we'll continue to monitor that. One more in Selma in Johnston County. Some heavy rain there. Kind of looks like a ghost town. And here's our camera. And this little drench here, I think, is really going to fill up. We'll keep an eye on how deep these trucks get at the construction site near our station here in North Raleigh. Wake Forest, looking like a little break in the cloud cover there. And down in Robeson County, you can see there are a few showers. So here's what we've got so far with the wind gusts. Our top wind gust has been close to 60 miles per hour in Fayetteville. And again, that makes sense because they're closer to the eye, farther south. Rocky Mount, you guys had a 48 mile per hour wind gust, about the same in Goldsboro. Clinton, 48. 39 in Warrenton. Remember, the tropical storm warning that we are under is warning us that, hey, we could have tropical storm force winds, which are 39 miles per hour and higher. Sampson County still has the hurricane warning because you could still possibly see some hurricane force winds. That's 74 miles per hour and higher. So the wind gusts right now just sustain. So these are just normal winds, not the gusts that come and go. As you can see, 20 to 30 miles per hour, topping out sustained in Fayetteville at 38. So you add in the gusts, and it goes all the way up to 54 in Fayetteville right now. So that's enough to start to cause some problems with trees and other such. Here is a look at the eye of Hurricane Florence. It is still a hurricane, barely, but we're not worried about what we're going to call it at this point. We're worried about what it's going to do to us. So from here, we kind of come up the road, to us here in central North Carolina, where we continue to have a flash flood warning in Johnston County. Heavy rain continues there, a flash flood warning for Franklin and Wake County. And these don't expire in like an hour or so. They go into tonight because guess what? The heavy rain's going to continue into tonight. So as I started off with, let's use Raleigh as kind of an average spot. You go farther to the north, much less rain, but you go farther to the south, places that have been getting heavy rain a lot sooner than everyone else, and that's where you're going to see more of the flooding. And this rain continues to kind of rotate in. Damage reports, I do want to focus on one thing, and that is something we're going to have to watch out for throughout the day. They had a funnel cloud up in Nash County, in and around Spring Hope. That was reported about 1:34. We're calling to investigate that. We have heard there might be some damage reports, but this is something we'll just have to kind of look and listen for the rest of the weekend, really, as we could have some potential isolated tornado reports. So again, there is a look at the radar. Unfortunately, it's going to look like that later tonight, into the overnight hours, and through tomorrow. And that is why flooding is going to be such a problem. And as those rain bands come through, that's when they bring the stronger wind gusts. So two things we're watching out for.